Kelly Carroll. I'm the Director of Cyber Education here at the Tunkhannock Area School District. This presentation is specifically meant for students in grades K-2. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is turn on your district-administered iPad. And then when you do that, you're going to see all of your applications on the home screen. The first application that we want to click on is Student, which is your Canvas icon. And then when you click on that Student Canvas icon, it's going to ask you to find your school, which then you will type in Tunkhannock Area School District. After you do that, it's going to ask you to log in with Office 365. You're going to use your username, which is your first name dot last name at tasd.net. And then you're going to use your password, which is your district administered password. And then it's going to ask you to stay signed in, and you want to click yes. From there, it's going to open up Clever, and you're going to see the QR reader. Open up your camera and scan your QR code. And then it's going to open up Clever. Clever is our platform that houses all of our district applications, like Office 365, Smarty Ants, Plus Portals, and then most importantly, Canvas. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on Canvas. And then when you do that, it's going to open up your Canvas platform. Before you do anything else, please go ahead and tap on Online Daily Attendance. You're going to click on Record Daily Attendance. And then from there, please complete your name, your grade, which is K-2. You're going to confirm that you are online for schoolwork today. And then you're going to click where it says, send me an email receipt of my responses. And then that email receipt will go to your Office 365 account. You're going to hit submit, and then it's going to indicate to you that you've submitted your online presence. Thank you for watching.